Xiaomi's Mi Band 7 is the latest model in its line of incredibly popular fitness trackers. But how does it differ from the Huawei Band 7? Xiaomi's health and fitness portfolio not only includes fitness trackers and smartwatches, but also smart scales and treadmills. However, not all of these products are made by Xiaomi itself. Both Huawei and Xiaomi have just introduced two new wearable devices, Band 7 and Mi Band 7, respectively. They are similar in name and in some of their specifications. But which one has the strongest arguments? Next, we show you a face-to-face between the two new devices to evaluate which model to purchase. The new Mi Band 7 largely keeps the appearance of its predecessor, sporting a pill-shaped display that sits in a polycarbonate case. The colorful straps are made of TPU, and the buckle is an aluminum alloy. Both the Mi Band 7 and Huawei Band 7 have a 5 ATM water-resistant rating, which isn't surprising, since they are capable of tracking swimming exercises too. The Xiaomi Mi Band 7 follows the appearance of the previous models with a pill format, accompanied by a silicone strap. The advantage of this bracelet is the comfort it provides for all types of use. On the other hand, the Huawei Band 7 is only 9.99mm thick, making it the brand's thinnest smartband. The weight is 16 grams, which will also provide a lot of comfort in all uses, that is, in the practice of sports activities. As the rumors had advanced, the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 now has a 1.62-inch AMOLED screen. The brand increased the display area by 25%, which represents a significant improvement in this type of product. It also has a density of 326 pixels per inch. This larger screen allowed Xiaomi to provide some redesigned icons, new effects, and even other ways to display data. In addition, the brand also offers 100 new dials that can be customized according to each user. Huawei Band 7 has a smaller screen than its competitor. The AMOLED panel is 1.47 inches and a resolution of 194 by 368 pixels. But to compensate for the smaller dimensions, it includes a 2.5D curved glass screen that gives the feeling that the screen is fuller and provides a better definition experience. The Xiaomi Mi Band 7 arrives with monitoring for no less than 120 indoor and outdoor sports. It stands out for integrating 4 new functions for the practice of physical activity, more specifically the measurement of training load, maximum oxygen consumption, effects of aerobic training, and even shows recovery times. Topping off these features is a calorie intake meter that puts the user on the path to fitness. For the rest, the Huawei Band 7 has 96 training modes, including running, swimming, cycling, and even jumping rope. As for health-oriented resources, the Mi Band 7 has an SpO2 sensor that monitors blood oxygen saturation and launches an alert if the user's values fall below 90%. It also includes heart rate tracking, sleep quality, stress levels, and women's health tracking. For its part, the Huawei Band 7 is clearly committed to health functions and integrates True Sleep TM technology that evaluates the quality of the user's sleep. More specifically, it accurately analyzes 6 common problems: difficulty falling asleep, light sleep, night waking, premature awakening, irregular sleep, and even vivid dreams. It then provides recommendations for resolving such situations. The Huawei Band 7 also has continuous monitoring of stress levels, and if there is a peak during the day, the bracelet issues an alert for the user to do breathing exercises to release tension. It also integrates SpO2 and heart rate monitoring. Another novelty of the Huawei Band 7 is the inclusion of the Healthy Life Management function. In this option, the user will be able to find personalized health management that includes daily objectives, such as the number of steps, water consumption, and the ideal physical exercise time for their state of health. The Huawei Band 7 has a battery life of up to 14 days, with moderate use of the equipment. The smartband also offers music control functions, alarm clock, flashlight, timer, and Find My Phone function, which can be very useful. Likewise, the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 also provides up to 14 days of battery life, with moderate use of the wearable, thanks to the integrated 180 mAh battery. The brand claims that a single charge provides the maximum battery life, the aforementioned 14 days. The standard variant of Huawei Band 7 costs 269 yuan, or about $40, while the NFC variant is priced at 309 yuan, or about $46. For its part, the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 has just been launched in the Chinese market, and there is still no scheduled date for its arrival in the global market. As for its price, in its country of origin, the Mi Band 7 was made available at a cost of 239 yuan, or $35, and the NFC version is priced at 279 yuan, or $42. Now that you have all the information, have you chosen your next smart band? I hope this video was useful for you. If so, please hit the like button under this video. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you soon.